In this video, we are solving sub question 2 of question number 7 from problem set 1, chapter linear equations in two variables. Here the problem is Kantabai bought 1.5 kg tea and 5 kg of sugar from a shop. She paid price 50 rupees as return fare for rickshaw. Total expense was price 700. Then she realized that by ordering online, goods can be bought with the free home delivery at the same price. Here the same price is very important. Here the rate of online delivery and by going to the shop is same. So next month she placed the order online for 2 kg tea and 7 kg of sugar. Here she ordered 2 kg of tea and 7 kg of sugar. Here the order is online but the rate is same. She paid 880 for that. Find the rate of sugar and tea per kg. Now here two conditions are given in this problem. From these two conditions we can make two equations and then we can solve it. The first condition is Kantabai bought 1.5 kg tea and 5 kg of sugar from shop. Then moving to the solution part, we don't know the rate of the tea and we don't know the rate of sugar. That's why we are assuming let x be the rate of tea per kg and y be the rate of sugar per kg. Now we have assumed the rate of tea and the rate of sugar, that is x and y respectively. Then therefore the rate of 1.5 kg of tea will be equals to 1.5 into, for per kg we assume x, therefore multiply it by x, we get 1.5 into x. Now this 1.5 is a fraction. By solving this fraction, this 1 will be multiplied with this denominator 2 plus numerator as it is divided by 2. We make the denominator common into the variable x equals to 1 into 2, that is 2, plus 1 divided by 2 into x equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2x, that is 3 by 2x is the rate of 1.5 kg of tea. Now here for per kg of sugar is y. She bought 5 kg of sugar, therefore rate of 5 kg of sugar will be equals to 5 into, for per kg the rate of sugar is y, we assume, therefore multiply 5 by y, it becomes 5 of y. Now we get the rate of tea, that is 3 by 2x, and the rate of 5 kg of sugar, that is 5y. Now here she paid price 50 as a return fare for rickshaw. Now from the first condition that is given here, the first condition is Kantabai bought 1.5 kg of tea. The rate of 1.5 kg of tea we get is 3 by 2x, therefore write down here 3 by 2x, plus she bought 5 kg of sugar, therefore the rate of 5 kg of sugar is 5y, but by return fare she paid 50 rupees, therefore add this 50 rupees here. Her total expense was 700, therefore write down here 700. We get this equation, solve this equation. Now on solving this equation, what we get, 3 by 2 x plus 5y equals to 700. Now shift this 50 to right hand side, it will becomes minus of 50. We get 3 by 2x plus 5y equals to 700 minus 50, that is 650. Multiply above equation by 2 on both sides, 2 on both sides. Therefore 2 into this equation, that is 3 by 2x plus 5y equals to 2 into right side, that is 650. 2 into 3 by 2 of x plus this 2 into 5y equals to 2 into 650, that is 1300. Now on solving, 2 get cancelled, 3 into x, that is thrice of x, plus 2 into 5, that is 10 of y equals to 1300. That is equation number 1. We get it from first condition. From second condition, here the second condition is, then she realized that by ordering online goods can be bought with free home delivery at the same price. She purchased 2 kg of tea, that is 2 into, for per kg we assume the rate is x, which is same, therefore multiply this by x, it becomes twice of x. This is the online rate of tea, plus she purchased 7 kg of sugar, means 7 into, for per kg of sugar we assume y, therefore multiply 7 by y, that is 7 of y. She paid 880 rupees for this, therefore equals to 880. This is equation number 2. We get two equations, that is 3x plus 10y equals to 1300, and we get the second equation, that is 2x plus 7y equals to 880. Now make the coefficient equal of the either variable of x or variable y. Multiply equation 1 by 2 on both sides. 2 into left side of first equation, that is 3x plus 10y equals to 2 into right side of this equation, that is 1300. 2 into 3x, that is 6 of x, plus 2 into 10y, that is 20 of y equals to 2 into 1300, that is 2600. Give it equation number 3. Now here, if we have to make the coefficient equal of the second equation, then we have to multiply equation number 2 by 3. Therefore multiply equation 2 by 3. Therefore on both sides, therefore 3 into this equation, that is this is the second equation, that is 2x plus 7y equals to 3 into 880, because we are multiplying by 3 on both sides. 3 into 2x, that is 6 of x, plus 3 into 7y, that is 21 of y. 3 into 880, that is 2640. It is calculation you can do, you can easily do that. This is equation number 4. We get two equation, that is equation number 3, this is, and equation number 4, this one. Here we observe that the coefficient of x are same, therefore we can easily eliminate it. We get these two equation, that is 6x plus 20y equals to 2600, that is third equation, and 6x plus 21y, that is equals to 2640, that is fourth equation. Now subtract equation 3 from equation 4. The equation number 4, that is 6x plus 21 of y equals to 2640, that is this fourth equation. Subtract equation number 3, this equation, that is 6x plus 20y equals to 2600. Minus sign will change the sign of second equation, it will become minus, plus this will become minus, and this will also become minus. 6x minus 6x, it will be cancelled. 21y minus 20y, the answer is y. 2640 minus 2600, on subtracting we get 40. We get the value of y, that is y equals to 40. We get y equals to 40. Put y equals to 40 in either equation number 1 or in equation number 2. We are putting in equation number 1. Get y equals 40, put y equals 40 in equation 1. Here equation 1 is, we know the equation 1 is that is 3x plus 10y equals to 1300. Here 3x plus 10y equals to 1300. Put now here 3x as it is plus as it is 10 as it is, the value of y is now 40. Put y 40 instead of y, therefore here write down here 40 equals to 1300. 3x as it is plus as it is 10 into 40, that is 400 equals to 1300. Therefore 3x will be equals to 1300. This plus 400 will shift it to right hand side and will become minus 400. Here 3x equals to 1300 minus 400, that is 900. Here we get 3x equals to 900, therefore x will be equals to 900 divided by 3 equals to 300. We get the value of x equals to 300. But here the x is the rate per kg of tea and y is rate per kg of sugar. Therefore rate per kg for tea is x and x is 300, therefore the rate per kg of tea is 300 and rate per kg of sugar is y, and we get the value of y is 40. Therefore rate per kg of sugar is 40. We get the